And the next tip for the LinkedIn series is how to add a profile section on LinkedIn. You just click add profile section if you're logged in, and you can add any of these things. How to add education, you click add education. And you can add the school, the degree, the field of study, when you started in the year, the end date in the year, the grade, the activity size, your description. You can also add skills in there and media. These can be images or files, presentations, etc. If you want to add position, you click add position. You can add the position of the company, etc., location, the time you were there, description, and you can change your profile headline if you want to. Add in skills and media if you like. How to add services. Click add services, and you can add the services by clicking on add services, and you can add a service, whatever it might be here. There is a drop down you can use, and you can click whatever you want. Lots of different options. Let's say I was in computer repair, you can click that and you press done. I'm going to remove that. So how to remove a service is in the same place as you add a service, you just click X and that removes it. And then you can click, there's some other options there. How to add a career break, you click on add career break and you can choose which career break option you want. There's a few there: bereavement, career transition, caregiving, full-time parenting, gap year, layoff, position eliminated, etc. Health and well-being, personal goal pursuit, professional development, relocation, retirement, travel, and voluntary work. And you can add information on the start and end date of that and the description and any media. Add a profile section. How do you add skills? You click add skills, and then you can type in a skill, such as if I typed in SEO, and a bunch of SEO things come up in this search suggestion link. It also, LinkedIn sometimes will populate suggestions based on your profile, and it also suggests where you use these skills on the roles. I've been a contractor for a while, so obviously I've got quite a number of roles here. If you've been a permanent member of staff, you have less. You can also ascribe skills to your education and the licenses that you've used. You can do it to anything basically, which is really fascinating and a really interesting way. Recruiters as well as businesses and individuals using LinkedIn will be searching by skill. So it's good to add in skills. There is a limit, a cap on how many skills you can add to your profile. I'm not sure how many it is, but there is a cap on that. There's some recommended sections to increase credibility and give you more access to opportunities, increase your visibility, etc. So you can add featured. This is something you're proud of. I have not actually added anything here, and I still have over 5,000 followers on my LinkedIn account and over nearly 600 people following my newsletter as of Q4 2024. So that hasn't been a problem for me. But if we go further down, add licenses and certificates. I have got a few of these already, but you can add those in. They do look quite good. So I've got a few of them from Google and whatnot. So the other things LinkedIn recommends are projects. So you add in a project, the description, the skills, and the media. I haven't done that. And like I said, it's not mandatory, but it can help. What else does LinkedIn recommend? Adding courses. This is something you can add in, and you can associate it with a role or indeed somewhere you've studied. So that can go down to an individual subject that you've studied. I haven't needed to do that. I've got some pretty big names on my LinkedIn, NatWest, Trustpilot, Meta, etc. And I didn't need that to get those roles, but that's something if you want to increase your visibility further, you can add in some of those things. Recommendations are always good as well. So you can ask people, you can search for people. For example, I worked at Barnardo's, so I can ask the ex-CEO of Barnardo's for recommendation. I'm not sure he'd give me one, but you can search for different people that way, and that can help boost your profile, and it's something worthwhile looking at. So they're all the areas that are recommended, and there's some additional areas as well. We'll look at that in the next video.